how to connect your iPad to an external monitor. You may want to do this for increased productivity or wanting to watch, let's say, content on big screen. For this, I'll tell you the HDMI way and the USB Type-C way. By the way, this is an iPad 10th generation that comes with USB Type-C. So if you have a Lightning one, it should work with a Lightning to a Type-C connector. So I'll tell you how to do it with the HDMI first. So for HDMI, I have gotten this hub. So in this hub, you can see I have an HDMI port, and on the other side, I have a Type-C port. As you can see, this is a Type-C port. In my case, I'm going to connect the monitor's HDMI over here and connect the Type-C to my iPad. And that is about it. If you have a monitor that has Type-C as well, you can just take a Type-C to Type-C cable and then connect it to your iPad, and that should be about it. The mirroring will automatically start. That is about it. That is how easy it is. Hopefully this video has been helpful to you guys. If it has been, do make sure to like, share and subscribe.